Can you see it? I hope you can see it on the video. Oh, wow. I can't tell the secret of what this combination is, but your bonnet looks like you can stick your hand in there. I don't know if it shows it on the video, but from what it was, this is wow. Before, after. Before, that poo or whatever it was. Let's see how we go. You've only got thin click on. Even in your door handles, look at that, that's before. This roof is pretty battered. That's after I've polished it, and then you've got all this really deep stains and scratches and roof now, mate. That's near perfection. That's 3 or 4 stages, but it went a little bit too far, but it wasn't, nothing was budging. It was really bad, your roof. This is the boot lid.